This is question number 10. It says, if P is this and Q is that, where X is an integer, find P intersection Q. Now, what we have to do first is write out the element in P. Now, we have P, which is X, such that X from 0 to 6. Now, if you look at this inequality, you can see that X is greater than 0. That is what this is talking about. That is, the value of X starts from value greater than 0, which is 1. 2, less or equals to 6. That means 6 is inclusive. So we have 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. These are the elements of P. What about Q? Here we have X such that 1 less or equals to X. That means less or equals to shows 1 is inclusive, and also 7 is also inclusive. So here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then 7. And the question is, what is P intersection Q? That is, the elements you find in P simultaneously you can find in Q. This is what you need. So this 1 is present, 2 present, 3, 4, 5, 6. 7 is not present in both. So if you look at this element, it's the same thing as P. So here, P intersection Q gives element which is equivalent to the element in P. So your answer is option A. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe to see question number 11. Thank you.